Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to write a program to swap two numbers using a temporary variable. So let's start. First, I will declare variables and a temporary variable. And now I will take input of two variables A and B. Printf, enter A, backslash and scanf modulus G and A. I will just copy it and just make changes. Now I will finally print the two numbers, number before swapping is so the R modulus D and modulus G, comma B. Then I will write A is equal to B, B is equal to temp, then temp is equal to A. So now the variables are swapped. Then finally I will print. I will just copy it. After swapping, let's run it and check whether it's correct or not. Sorry, it's printer instead of print. Let's run it again. Okay, where I have to write backslash and then I will run it again. 3, 2. Okay, there is one error. Let's check it. First, I will write them and I will store the value of A in temporary variable. Then in A, I will store the value of B, and in B, I will store the value of temporary variable which was A. Now code is okay and it's gonna run. Yes, the code is working now. Let's enter some other numbers and run it again. 105 and 1 and 5.